Start with taking a mixing bowl, add grated carrot to it, grated cauliflower, grated cabbage, finely chopped garlic and 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Now mix this very well. After mixing, we see that there is some water in this mixture. This water can be used to knead the dough for the Manchurian balls. Start with adding half a bowl maida first and knead the dough. The dough is still a little wet, so add more maida to it. See that the dough is neither too sticky nor too soft. It has just the right amount of sturdiness to make Manchurian balls out of it. Now take small portions of this dough and roll them into Manchurian balls like this. We have taken cooking oil in a pan and now we will fry these Manchurian balls on a medium flame. Make sure to put them on a medium flame and not on a high flame because we need them to be cooked to the core. Once they are light brown in color, take them out. Repeat the same with the next batch of balls and our Manchurian balls will be ready. For the gravy, heat 1.5 serving spoon of oil in a pan and add 4 finely chopped onions to it. Now add finely chopped 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. This is the main ingredient. Add grated or chopped ginger to it and mix it well. Cook it just enough to turn the onion to light pink color and then we will add finely chopped capsicum to it. Choose to add green chillies for a spicy taste. It will give a very nice Chinese taste. Let it cook for just 20 to 30 seconds. You can see that capsicum and onion look perfectly cooked and the onion is light pink in color. Now you can lower the flame. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of table salt. Now for the gravy, add 3/4 cup of water and let it come to a boil. As you can see, the gravy has come to a boil. Now we will add the Manchurian balls to it. Have a look at how soft the ball is. That is because we had a perfect dough. Now for the final ingredient, we will add the Ching's chili paneer masala or the Manchurian masala. We already have it here diluted in water, and we're going to add it to the gravy. This will thicken the gravy and give a Chinese flavor to it. The Manchurian is ready. Let's serve it.